Shea Makinde. Sunday Odunlade Art Gallery. Is this a puzzle? Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Taiwo Gold, and this channel is all about vlog, basically travels, trip, meals, food, and sometimes gadgets as well. So in case you have not subscribed right now and like this video, you can drop a comment whatever you feel about this. So today we are going to an art gallery in Ibadan, Odunlade Art Gallery, which is in Ibadan, and this is kind of like a little hyped gallery that I know in Ibadan. Most everybody has been there. I just feel like, okay, let's branch, let's see what they have. And come on guys, they have from woodwork to paintings to drawing to picture. It's very, very nice, I would say. Very, very nice. So what? But I don't get those three in the middle. Let's go. So we had Sunday or something. Okay, yeah, this is the name. Sunday Odunlade Art Gallery.
What's up? That is edition, recent edition.
That is so very comment. After having okay. So this is very, 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 very nice. Amazing. Someone died, or okay, hospital. It's a doctor. It's a tailor sewing clothes. This is a doctor and a nurse. Okay, this is an household. Okay, it's like a palm wine joint. This is very nice. No, these are riders. So sweet. This is the big boat ride. Dig it. What do you say? This is the chef. I mean the chief that is riding the boat.
8 hours, 5 hours.
This is nice. Oh, this is a pregnant woman. But why is she mourning? Why is she crying? Oh, I like this TV. Hey Mia. Oh, these are very nice. This is a blood. Oh, now I get the blood, the hand of Jesus that was nailed to the wall, like that was nailed, then blood came out. Yeah, that's what they want to depict.
Where's my wallet?
It's my bag. You don't have space at all?
No space.
Angel. This is neat. No, I love this. This is very nice. A guitar. Oh, I see. Nice. Oh, this is nice. I like this framing style too. A lot of these boats, okay, now. The pillow, the steel doctor, and the nurse. Steel doctor, what's it? I'm tired. I was doing real life COD in your I was like, yeah.
Let's see where to come up for one place. I don't do it.
Where is
Yaba.
Yaba?
See the beautiful illustration.
Immigration. Migration.
I'll be right soon.
Oh, okay. They could have just. Then it's meant to be hung on landscape, not portrait. If that's what they are depicting, see now, children of Israel. Migration. This is very nice. Oh, this is very nice.
Banda green.
I mean, why are you always in my shot? Oh, I like this. Shut up. I like this. This is the governor, the current governor of Oyo State, Sheyi Makinde. And this is very, very nice.
What's this?
Oh, she's staring at me. For real, she's staring at me. Baby is hungry. I'm on. Oh, this also looks like going in that talk. I love this. It's embroidered like it's lifted. See, that's weight separate. Oh, I love this. This is Obasanjo. It's nice. I like this view. This is nice. Oh, jeez, this is realistic. Very, very nice. this is this guy. No, I see why they put you here. I love this too. I love this too. Oh yeah, I love this. Oh yeah, I love this. 14, damn, so nice. I am so glad you're able to watch this content to the end. Thank you so much. Hope you didn't forget to like, share, or subscribe as well. On to the next one. Bye.